Hi all, Marc D, CutRock'R here. A fun one today. We're off to Piston, Junction, Invitational for an apocalypse build. The Martians are attacking. What can survive this holocaust? I have an old M2 build of mine. Re-weighted, re-lubed. May not be the fastest car in the world, but it sure fits the genre. Now, let me introduce my guest driver and he'll take you through the car. Cheers.
Hello, victims. I am the Count of CutRock'R. I will be driving my 58 Impaler called Vlad the Impaler. No, it's not an Impala. The stupid GM administration got the name wrong back in 58. Fools! I hear the Martians are back again. That's no worry for me. I survived before. I had my favorite Martian. People think he had antennas coming out of his head. Fools! They were not antennas, they were straws I installed so I could suck the blood from out of his brain. Now, come in front of my car. Well, maybe not if you see what's already there, but let's have a look. See me in the driver's seat. I'm aiming for impaling. I love kebabs. Now for a test rollout.
There's a 3-metre rollout.
What I got. Of course the car had to weigh 58 grams. But why didn't I get the speed of 58? Oh, need blood injection. Oh no! They want to play the bloopers. Oh, I hope I do better in the race. I've got a headache right now. See you later. Don't forget to tune in.
Oi, Vlad! You better move! We're rolling!
Ah! Ah! Flat! No!
My trip to Silverton Mad Max Museum from a couple of years ago. Link in description. Cheers. Thanks for watching all. Bye.
CutRock'R.